This my shit. Oh, tell her you're not my bitch. This my shit. Oh, tell her get off my dick. Digi dash, nitro gas. Time is passing, quick. I just want tonight to last. Life go fast, it tick.
After the 3.5 minutes, no respawn, right?
I'm fat and I'm tired of running, so I'm gonna go like right there and provide Overwatch. At some point, I'm pushing right.
All right, Gavin, I'll just run with you, buddy.
All right.
Y'all pushing left.
All right, yeah, we'll go to the wagon. Why the fuck y'all shooting? Goddamn. All right. Dope. What's up?
All right, I'll go to the building and provide Overwatch.
I'm kind of sad. I still. Oh.
Daniel, Rob, step on that.
God.
No way.
Rob got that aim, boy.
Was that a goat?
What happened to Poe?
Probably throwing up.
Did he hurt himself?
I hope not.
Yeah, it looks like he's throwing up.
Oh, you all right?
Oh, fuck.
Nick.
I'll do it. Oh, come on.
All right, Nick, you better be ready, boy. I'm coming for that booty. Poe, you good?
Yeah.
Get you some water, buddy.
I'm just throwing up. I threw up all the water I drank.
Mask off.
Fuck it, man. No, we're going to the white car.
I know, I'm behind you. There's a flag up there. Where are they all at? Ooh, I got a cramp.
Green Ford Ranger to your left.
Ooh, shit. I'm hit.
Let him respawn.
That didn't hurt at all. Oh. Fuck, this is exhausting.
No respawns, get out.
Come back to the main area, sir. No more respawns.
Are you out? Are you out?
Let's game.
Yeah, boy.
I spawn killed Doug three times.
What?
I spawn killed Doug three
Keep your
times.
mask on. Let's game.
I'm so fucking out of breath.
I'm so fat, dude. Fuck this.
Jeez.
3 for 3 yellow
Mask on, sir.
Sorry, I knew that.
You freaking idiot.
Yeah. What are you, stupid?
Yeah, you could kill yourself.
I went to smoke you, and I was like, click.
I saw you.
No ammo.
I was like, ha, dink, 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 dink.
We have yet to lose even a single game.
Are we down a man?
This is our last game. It's single elimination.
Fuck 'em up. Yeah, fuck 'em up, boys.
All right.
Yeah.
1, 2,
2, 3.
fuck 'em up.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Hang on, Gavin. Ah. All right, that one stung a little bit. Doug, was that you that shot me?
Rob got me on the. It came off the gun.
I was right here shooting both of you.
Dude.
He doesn't know what to do. Man, it's just 3-on-1. He's not gonna last long. Yeah, boy.
Covers, keep your mask on.
Yeah.
Yellow covers, guys. Keep your masks on.
Yeah, yellow.
What's going on with y'all's teams, man?
What?
Because y'all got
This
Rob
is
Rose over there
bullshit.
shooting 30 balls a second, and y'all have an additional player.
I don't know what you mean.
All right, boy. Rob, you looking thick.
You look really insane right
Where's your hammer?
Balls to the wall, boy.
Daniel, right side with me?
Sure, I'll go right side.
Hey, someone needs to go on snake side.
I'll go.
Me and Daniel got a
actually,
snake.
Hey, let Nick take it, because he. Well, no, fuck it. Yeah. Nick, you go to chemical plant. Yeah.
Did you get him? Close out. What? Center.
See anybody?
Center.
All right,
Center
push it up.
back a little bit.
Push it up, push it up.
Right there.
No, those are kids.
Right there. I'm going around. Doug. No. Oh shit. Got one. Takes out. Oh, goddamn, that was close. See, Doug?
Got Matt.
Nice blind fire. Shit.
Safety's about, covers, guys. Keep your mask on. That's game.
Oh, I think I just sprained my wrist.
Did that pop you?
No,
You almost got
you were close.
I was running on you,
Yeah, you
and
were,
you.
You were beelining me.
You weren't beelining on me. I was watching you because I was running out. Hey, Daniel, can I clear my
Who shot you?
Huh?
Where did it hit you?
It nicked off my gun and hit me in the hand.
I don't know if that was me or not because I was shooting you when it ended.
No,
You don't know me. This is what happens between.
If I had a nickel for every time I think I did something stupid, then I'd have a shit ton of nickels. That shit was stupid.